So let's say you want to go ahead and invite out people to your workspace so that they have access to your particular team space. In that case, you can go around onto your profile and then go to settings right here. And then what you can do is you can actually go to people right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can add members as you like. In my case, I already have 3 members as you can see, but I can go ahead and add in member and then add in, let's say for example, tututube@outlook.com right here just like this. I can go ahead and then choose that email address and send the invite right here, and that person will be added out. And that is simply how you can go ahead and add new members to your workspace. And once you actually do that, what happens is that they have access to the team spaces right here, not your private section, not your favorites right here, but your team space section right here. So if I were to go around over here, this is the team space home, and whenever you make changes, all of the members that you have invited will have access to this particular section. And that is how you can go ahead and add in members to your workspace so that you can work collaboratively in team spaces inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.